Hi dear soulmate, you're welcome to Kunmi Styling YouTube channel. And to our returning subscriber, we want to welcome you specially. And if you are joining us for the first time, you're also welcome. To this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to take an accurate body measurement because it's very essential. And I'll be using my mannequin in doing that. Shoulder measurement. You don't need to be turning your clients like this. Just tell them to turn their back. So you take it from one shoulder joint to the other one. And for my mannequin, I have 13 inches. And please, while taking it on your clients, please, even though they are wearing outfit that has shoulder drop, don't make use of it. Make sure you note their shoulder joining before you take it. Thank you. So the next measurement quickly is our bust measurements, and ask them if they are putting on a firm bra, because if they are not putting on a firm bra, it's going to affect you when they want to come for fitting and they put on a firm bra. The measurements will not be the same again. So please take note of that. And while taking the bust measurement, your two fingers has to be in between your tape and the person's body, so that it will not be too tight or pressing their bust. Now your tape has to be round, that is on the apex of the bust, and it should not be falling off their back like this. It should also be round at the back. So for this I have 33.5. Now the next measurement is the under bust measurement. That is where the bra stops. So you take that one tightly. It might even be one finger in between, very firm. The next thing to take is their waist measurement. Now for blouse waist measurement is always like 2 inches to 3 inches. That is the range of 2 to 3 inches below the under bust measurement. So you ask them again if they have eaten, so that to know if maybe when they eat their stomach comes out or it remains the same. So take note of that. And also for the under bust and the waist measurement, the tape should also be round behind. It shouldn't be falling off their back. Please take note of that. Now the next measurement to take is the vertical measurement. Now that is from the nape of the neck, that is like where the front and back bodies join together. That is where the seam of the dress or what they are putting on join together. It's not those ones that are starting from the back like this. No, it should be like this, like where the mannequin is joining. I don't know if you can see it. So you put your tape on it to the bust, that's to the nipple, to the pointed part of the bust. Then you follow the tape like that to the under bust while holding it on the shoulder. Then, like I said here, I said it ranges, that's to the waistline, that's shoulder to waistline. It ranges from 2 to 3 inches. Now, if I want to make use of 2, it will be 2 up for this my mannequin, but I can make use of 2.5, that's 15.5, then or 16, that's 3 inches for this mannequin. Now the next thing is to take our blouse length. While taking the blouse length should be resting on the hip line. Oh, we might not be getting this. I will off this from my mannequin and show you the boxer from my mannequin, or on my mannequin rather. So to my under bust is 13. And like I said, if we want to measure to the hip line, like with the tape that I'm having on it, that shoulder to hip is 26 inches for my mannequin. And if I want to take my blouse length for this mannequin, I'll use 24 inches. That's like 2 inches lesser than shoulder to hip. Now this is not constant. You can have a client A, that is their blouse length can be 1 inch less than their shoulder to hip measurement, while that of client B might be 2 inches. Client C might even be 1.5 inches different from it. So it's not constant. The more you practice this, or the more you go further in this fashion journey, you get to know all these things. It is not a day job. Rome was not built in a day. So please take note of that. Then I'll take my upper hip round measurement, not the hip now. That point where you take your blouse length. I'll take the measurement again. I'll note it down with my 2 fingers in between. Please note it down. Now, another important thing that you need to take on your client is their nipple to nipple measurement, or we call it bust pan measurement. That's the distance from one nipple to the other one. So you place your tape. You don't need to start pressing it. Just place your tape like this and just take note of it and you take it. And for my mannequin, I have 6 inches for my mannequin. So another important measurement is on that point where you take their waist measurement. You will tie something round their waist to know the shoulder to waist for the back. But most times I don't do this on my clients because I have formula or how I do it and I get it correctly. So when we proceed, you get to know, but I just want to show you something for you to know that the distance of the half length of the front and that of the back is not the same. For the front, we said is either 15.5 or 16 inches, right? So if I place my tape like this, let's see, I have, let's say 12.5 inches. Can you see the difference of like, if I'm using 15.5 for the front, that's difference of 3 inches. So as we proceed in the class, you will see what we are going to do to make sure that the half length of the back maintains this 12.5, while the front maintains the 15.5. Now the sleeve length. I always take my clients or the sleeve measurements in order to, any style I'm making for them, it will be easier for me to do. So I will just place my tape on the shoulder now part, on the arm part, not the shoulder again, sorry, on the arm part. You can still cross-check your shoulder, that's 13. Then from there, you start your sleeve measurement. Or ask them if they like their short sleeve to be here. The one before elbow, you take their 3/4 length. While taking the 3/4 and the long sleeve length, tell them to bend their hand this way, because our hand is not straight like this, it's bent. So since my mannequin cannot bend our hand, so we just assume that if the client has bent a hand. So you also take the long sleeve measurement, and each point where you take the sleeve length, you will take the round sleeve. Now while taking the round sleeve, it has to be firm. It has to be not tight. It should not be tight, please. It should not be tight. Take note of that. It should not be tight. It should be loose. Then you take it on each point. It should not be tight also. It should be loose in such a way that they'll be able to move their hand, not that they wear dress and it's very tight on them. So you take on the 3/4 area also with your 2 fingers in between, very loosely, and you take the one on the sleeve, round the long sleeve area, in such a way that they'll be able to off it without stress. So do you understand all what we have taken? If you did not understand any point, you can still pause the video.
If you find this video helpful, please kindly like, share, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.